Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to be fully assembling the M3 so that way we can get you guys a clear picture of what it's going to look like. Now unfortunately my wheels will not be here for this video. That makes me a very sad boy, but what can we do? You know, we still got to get this thing put together so we can show you guys what it's going to look like. Today we're going to go ahead and assemble it. It's all assembled. We can talk about some new mods for this thing to come. So let's get into today's video. Okay, last time we left off on the M3 build with just painting the body. Right now we're finishing up on painting everything else that was left. Right here we have the doors, the trunk, the front bumper, and I think in the other booth we have some other parts. So let's see what else is in the other booth. I think some of that stuff already got painted. Let's go check. Oh yes sir, this stuff did get painted. We got the mirrors, the rocker panels, my carbon fiber hood that is not so carbon fiber. We went ahead and just removed the vents, left those in carbon fiber, as well as the kidney grills. Those are gonna stay in carbon fiber. The door handles, the rear bumper, brand new rear bumper, and some moldings. All the door moldings. These are the front moldings. I think these are the rear quarters, and these are the door moldings. So everything in here is painted. Right now we're gonna finish up whatever's in the front booth, and then everything will have been painted. And it looks so good. I got so much shit from the guys here at the shop, like, why are you painting your carbon fiber hood? But you know what? I think this is gonna be just the right amount of carbon with the lip and the diffuser and the hood, and who knows? Maybe later down the line we'll be adding some more carbon to this car. All right, now the rest of the panels have officially been shot, so everything is fully painted. You guys can see the CSL carbon fiber trunk with the nice little carbon fiber touch that we left, with the rear license plate area left in carbon as well. I think that's going to be a really nice touch. Here we have the front bumper that we went ahead and filled in the license plate area as well, and then the little repairs on the side, so that way everything will look nice and even when we put the one-piece lip on. So now everything is painted. Let's go ahead and start assembling the whole car and get this thing ready to go. Okay, now here she is. This is just a final glimpse into the M3. It's definitely not anywhere near done, but it's getting there. These are not my wheels that I plan on running, but I went ahead and cleaned them up, and I gotta say, they don't look half bad. But the wheels that I'm gonna be running should be here probably within maybe about 2 to 4 weeks. You know, I ordered them about 8 weeks ago, and you know, I was hoping they'd be here by now when we kind of completed this thing, but they're not here. But they will be here soon, and I can't wait to show you guys that. Also, went ahead and started doing some interior mods. So the door panels are off, and the headliner is gonna come off. I already started doing some of it. Here you guys can see this Alcantara. We went ahead and throw some in there. Gonna be redoing some of the interior trim panels as well. I'm really happy with the overall look of it. It's not completely there yet, but from how it's looking like right now, I am pretty happy. Definitely want to get an exhaust on this thing. Definitely want to get the new wheels on and stuff like that. But overall, this thing is huge, night and day difference from when I first got it, and I'm really excited to show you guys its final completion once everything is on there. But for now, I'm super happy, and I'm hoping that you guys like it as well, and I can bring you guys some more E46 content. If you guys really want some more E46 content, just let us know, and there's plenty of stuff to do on this thing. I still got to do the rod bearings, obviously wheels, but I think I'm gonna do all like the bushings and stuff, get this thing back to its once former glory. So I don't plan on selling this car. I envisioned this for so long, and I've seen a couple cars on the internet very similar, and I've always wanted this thing, and now to have it here, right here, sitting in front of me, is you know, a dream come true. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching it and seeing so much reaction from you guys on the last video without even being done. It just made me pretty excited. So I want to show you guys, because I know I kept you guys kind of on a cliffhanger last time, but I wanted to show you what we're up to. All right, guys, that's going to conclude today's video. Finally wrapping up the paint job, installing everything back together. This thing's still a long way from being 100% done, but it's definitely taking form right now, and it's coming real quick.
That's what she said.
Within a couple weeks, I should receive my brand new wheels that I've been waiting for about 8 weeks, and I can't wait to show you those to you guys. We also got some interior mods coming soon, some much needed maintenance, and maybe a rod bearing video. I've never done rod bearings, but it's one of the main things that you got to do to these things. I already did my subframe repair, so that's a major plus. So once we do the rod bearings, maybe this thing will be ready for some boost. But until then, again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate all the love and support from the E46 community. This thing has come a long way, and I can't wait to show you all the new content coming up. So hit that like and subscribe button to keep notified on all the new videos coming out for the E46. And go ahead and follow us on IG. I'm gonna go ahead and throw our links right here. Thank you guys so much again. Here at SOS Customz, we got you covered. Peace.